Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade pickled vegetables. First, gather your fresh produce like cucumbers, carrots, or green beans. You'll also need white vinegar, water, pickling salt, and your favorite spices such as dill or garlic. Sterilize your jars and lids thoroughly to prevent spoilage. This simple process transforms ordinary vegetables into delicious, tangy treats perfect for any meal. Now let's prepare your vegetables and the brine. Wash your vegetables thoroughly and slice them into uniform pieces, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick, for even pickling. For the brine, combine equal parts white vinegar and water in a saucepan. Add 1 tablespoon of pickling salt for every cup of liquid. Bring this mixture to a boil, ensuring the salt fully dissolves. It's time to pack your jars. Carefully arrange your prepared vegetables into the sterilized jars, packing them as tightly as possible without crushing them. Pour the hot brine over the vegetables, making sure to leave about 1/2 inch of headspace from the rim. Use a non-metallic utensil to remove any trapped air bubbles. Finally, wipe the jar rims clean and securely fasten the lids. To ensure proper sealing and preservation, process your filled jars in a boiling water bath for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your recipe and altitude. After processing, let the jars cool completely and check for a proper seal. Store them in a cool, dark place. For the best flavor, allow your pickled vegetables to cure for at least 2 weeks before enjoying. They make a fantastic snack or side dish. Don't forget to check the description for the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.